Adam here from Lifestyle and Mobility, and up for review today we have the Pride Apex Lite, one of the most affordable entry-level scooters on the market. So come on in and let's take a closer look. This boot scooter comes with a fully comfortable seat, functional, easy access. It's got a backrest, armrest, and of course, fully supportive. We have here easy dash, analog, key, forward back speed, horn, lever action, and of course a removable basket. Let me show you how this gets taken down. Again, very simple. Pushing the backrest, pull the lever, little twist, comes straight off. Removable battery, and a simple lever here. Just lift up, and off it comes. And we're straight to the tiller. Couple of twists, lower that down. It's ready to go in the back of your boot. Apex Lite has a top speed of 4 miles an hour and a weight capacity of 21 stone. We have solid tires, which means you don't have to worry about punches, and it comes in 3 colors, the shrouding red, black, and blue. Airline friendly battery, range up to 10 miles. So that's our review on the Pride Apex Lite. If you're after something affordable, easy to use, and super reliable, this is the scooter for you. You can find it here at lifestylemobility.co.uk, and of course, our numbers here below. Please like, subscribe, and share. We've got other videos, and of course, as always, I'll see you soon.